Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a Hostinger domain to Firebase Hosting. So first thing, open your console Firebase website, then open the project that you are working on. Then go here to the left side, click on Build, then click on Hosting here, then click Get Started, then Next, and continue to the console. And then you will find this page. Just click on Add Custom Domain here. Now enter your custom domain name. After that, Firebase will give you a DNS records. Now go to your domain registrar and add those DNS records to your domain settings. This step is used to verify that you own the domain. Once the records are added, wait for the domain to propagate. This can take up to 24 hours, but it is often faster. Finally, test your domain. When everything is working, your website will be live on your custom URL. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.